Mass tourism has grown rapidly, leading to overcrowding that harms local communities, the environment, and also the travel experience itself. On top of this, many tourists spend too much time on their smartphones while exploring a city, missing out on resonance experiences and meaningful encounters. But there's a better way. The Resonate Orientation Aid is designed to bring back the adventurous and transformative essence of travel. It guides travelers through cities without them having to look at their smartphone, using gentle and positive haptic feedback to show direction and distance. The journey begins by connecting the device to a smartphone and launching the accompanying app. Two modes are available: exploring on the way to a specific destination, or wandering freely while receiving hints about nearby points of interest tailored to the user's profile. After choosing a mode and setting a destination, the device confirms the input, and the user is free to drift through the city. To avoid distractions and fully embrace the experience, the smartphone should be put away. The Orientation Aid features a multifunction button on top, which activates haptic feedback during use and also functions as the power button. The tactile bump dots on the upper surface make it easier to identify the direction shown by the moving direction indicator below. The lower half of the device is made of soft, flexible material that gently pulsates like a heartbeat, visually and physically indicating the remaining distance to the destination. The direction indicator aligns with the user's current body orientation, intuitively pointing towards the destination. It's covering a 165-degree range. The bump dots make it easier to identify the exact direction angle by touch. The heartbeat-like haptic feedback signals distance through pulse speed. The closer the destination or point of interest, the faster the pulses. Pressing the multifunction button activates the feedback for 4 seconds. The device enables flexible navigation by guiding the user to their destination in a straight line, without providing turn-by-turn instructions. This freedom allows the traveller to choose their own path, discover hidden gems, or engage in spontaneous interactions, encouraging intuitive exploration and a more immersive travel experience. The Resonate Orientation Aid guides the user to within a 30-metre radius of the destination, leaving the final steps to be discovered independently. This approach enhances the likelihood of meaningful, resonant experiences while fostering a sense of pride and self-efficacy.